Hey, it's Scott with the 4 steps fundamentals of cash flow. What is cash flow? Cash flow is consistent money that comes into your business or you as an individual. So the key to cash flow, okay, key, right here, is going to be the following steps. And after this, I'm going to take you into each of these steps on my computer, and I'm going to show you how to get set up, how simple it is. Also, I have trainings coming up on February 27th. They start. It's members only Zoom, so make sure you get in my Facebook group below in this YouTube description. Also, how to get started on Instant 100 right here. So we got Instant 100s, okay? How you're going to get started, I'm going to tell you that in a minute. Instant 100s. Now, the other fundamental is residual. You want monthly recurring, so you're going to get monthly 25s, all right? 25, that's residual. You have your first instant, which is your first part of your cash flow. And also on the residual, you're getting 100 monthly recurring. So and we'll get to this in a minute, but one funnel, you're going to be able to make 100, 200, 225, and we have a big ticket aspect of and a product that we need to get eyeballs, right, to the instant cash flow, to this. So the whole point is to get the cash flow. So with a big ticket is done for you as well, and it's a product we need. And just a short note there, I'll show you what that is. And the product we need is traffic, okay? And I'm going to show you how I'll start your business too in a minute here, because we are going to get to my computer here momentarily. I just want to continue to show you how cash flow works, okay? So now we have the big ticket aspect and we have the traffic product right here, okay? And this is one time on this one time instant too. So we have instant 800, 2400. I'm just going to do 2.4K for space, and 4,000, 4K, okay? So now what do you have? We said this was 225. All it takes is one person to come through here. You have your front end cash flow, okay? You have your monthly residual that teaches your other members how to do the same thing, because we're a team here, right? Yes. And then your big ticket you have here for your instant payments that you can use all in one funnel, one link. So this is all one link. So I'm going to take you over to the computer now, but what I was saying before, the link to get the instant cash flow funnel is in the description below, okay?